So, you have your eggs and you want this. Whoa. Woo. What to do? Let me show you. Have a look at this. What is going on here? Today, I'm going to teach you the most foolproof method for poaching eggs. When you imagine poaching eggs, you might think of adding vinegar and or salt to the pot, swirling the water and all that other stuff. I want you to forget everything you know about poaching eggs. For this, all you need is an extra 15 minutes, time well spent considering just how easy this method is. Take a bowl, add equal amounts of vinegar and water, crack the eggs you want to poach into the bowl, and leave them. After around 15 minutes, you can tell that the outermost layer of the eggs have turned opaque. This is because the vinegar has denatured the egg whites, creating a thin skin that will keep the eggs shape. You sort of pre-cook the eggs, even though you're technically not cooking them. This also makes it way easier to handle the eggs. Now all you have to do is bring a pot of plain water to a low simmer. Take a ladle and gently lower the eggs into the water. Don't worry if you bring some of the vinegar mixture. Give them around 3 minutes and remove them with whichever variation of a slotted spoon you have laying around. Boom! Poached eggs. Give them a little sprinkle of salt and you're good to go. This can also be done in a small bowl, ramekin or cup if you're only cooking a few eggs. This way you simply dump the entire contents of your preferred container into the pot. This also saves a lot of vinegar. And finally, if you want to make them extra pretty because you're a sexy and you deserve perfect eggs, you can crack them into a sieve to remove the loose whites before adding them to the brine.